Aerobic exercise, also known as cardiovascular exercise, is essential for maintaining good health. This includes activities like running, swimming, and cycling. Aerobic exercise raises your heart rate and keeps it elevated for at least 20 minutes. This causes your muscles to use oxygen more efficiently, which strengthens both your heart and muscles. One major benefit of aerobic exercise is that it helps build stronger bones, which can prevent injuries like fractures. It also improves your balance, reducing the risk of falls. Additionally, aerobic exercise lowers the risk of serious health issues such as heart disease and diabetes. Aerobic exercise has many other benefits. It helps you maintain a healthy weight and reduces fat, especially around your belly. Regular exercise also makes you feel happier by releasing chemicals called endorphins. Aerobic exercise can even reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Many aerobic exercises are also weight-bearing, such as walking and dancing. These exercises help strengthen your bones by stimulating the cells that build new bone. This is particularly important for teenagers, as bone mass peaks between ages 25 and 30. Building strong bones during adolescence can prevent problems later in life. Finding the best time of day to exercise is crucial. Some people feel more energetic in the morning while others prefer exercising later in the day. Choose a time when you feel most awake and ready to move, making your workouts more enjoyable and easier to stick with. Exercising with a friend can also enhance your workouts. A friend can motivate you, keep you company, and make the exercise more enjoyable. If you prefer exercising with others or need more guidance, consider joining a class. Many local gyms and community centers offer aerobic classes, indoor cycling classes, or sports teams. There are some risks associated with aerobic activities. If you push yourself too hard or don't exercise correctly, you might get sprains or muscle cramps. To avoid these injuries, it's important to learn how to use exercise equipment like treadmills and stair machines properly. Always warm up and stretch before starting your workouts. Warming up increases blood flow to your muscles and prepares your body for exercise. You must also be aware of your surroundings to avoid accidental injuries. Strength training, nutrition, and proper sleep are other components of a good health or fitness program. We will discuss these topics in future videos. Subscribe so that you don't miss them. Thank you for watching.